Hello dear students, welcome to Practical Pharmacology. In this video, you will learn about basics of pharmacology. So what is pharmacology? It is derived from Greek word that is pharmakon, that means drugs, and logia, that means study of. So pharmacology, it's a Greek word. Pharmakon, that means drugs, and logia, that means study of. So the word pharmacology means study of drugs. So here you are seeing that pharmacology, it's the study of drugs in living cells, tissue, organ, animal or human being. What do you mean by medicines or drugs? Drug or medicine. WHO definition: any substance or product that is used or intended to be used to modify or explore physiological systems or pathological state for benefit of the recipient. So any substance or product that is used or intended to be used to modify or explore physiological systems or pathological state for the benefit of the recipient. These drugs or medicines are used as antibiotic that can cure the disease, as analgesic to relieve disease symptoms, as vaccine to prevent the disease, as radioopacdy to diagnose the disease, and oral contraception pills for the prevention of the pregnancy. So that is the WHO definition of drug and different use of it.